one day we need the girls up. They're sleeping in. Freya got dressed into her clothes last night, slept in them, so she's good to go straight away. You were as well, almost, weren't you, Heidi? Yum yum, girls. The only pink bird in Costa Rica. He's opening them up. You are going the wrong way, guys. Well done, Heidi. You weren't sick this time. Well done, Freya. Quick bite of pancake and then it's onto the river. How many different species of bats are there in Costa Rica? Good. Where's it gone? Ah. I'm going walking to find a monkey. There he is now, hanging out, watching us. You like the monkey?
Yeah.
They're all at the top of the tree.
Are you doing yoga?
Kingfisher on that branch. You can see the baby bird.
No, you said that already.
I did say that already, yeah. Little bluebird here that keeps flying up. Its nest is underneath us, so they keep flying after us to check on the nest.
He's stretching his arms because he has to stretch his arms.
Who's this?
Baby Leo.
Who are you?
Kim.
And who's this?
Catherine.
Yeah. There goes the sangria bird. Green ibis, apparently.
An eco-friendly hotel chain.
It's very beautiful here. Great egret. Sorry, looking at some turtles.
This is a very rare Heidi, eating the very rare Oreos.
Big iguana on that leaf. Where they escape is they jump into the water and then swim to the other side. Baby turtle on that trunk. I'm on a boat. That sun is hot. Freya, what can you see?
Water.
Good, well done. Spider monkeys, Freya. Mummy and baby hanging out in the tree. And to the right, there's one swinging there. Woof. There it is. We've been super lucky spotting monkeys, haven't we?
I saw one go across.
It's drinking down there. Tired monkey now. Such a beautiful tree. There's a caiman.
That's a small one.
Pretty close now. KO'd for the entire 1.5 hour journey back here.
Where is it? That's an elephant. Can I see? Freya, it's made of towels, okay? Don't pick it up. I meant to not pick it up.
It's very clever, isn't it?
What's going on in here?
I make it like that. She's smelling the flowers.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Okay, you can jump. One little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell down and bumped her head. Daddy called the doctor and the doctor said... Little game of backgammon. 3 and a 2. Yeah? 3.
Me, he's not in danger.
That's it, you've saved him. Good. Oh, he's on your shoulder. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Look at his shoulder, he's gripping to your shoulder. Look at him.
Look,
Smile, smile, he's got like a parrot on you.
He loves you.
Very good.
Oh,
Wow.
he loves you. That's why he's on your shoulder.
Thank you, isn't it? Hey.
Do you want me to take him off?
No.
Can you say cheese to the camera?
Cheese.
Oh, what's that?